Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Aradhana, and in today's video I'm going to talk about paper 1 of UGC-NET. Further ado, let's get into today's video and let's see how you can prepare paper 1 in a limited number of days. So yeah, in this video I'm going to talk about all the mistakes that I made in my first attempt and also how I rectified those mistakes and did not make them in the second attempt. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into today's video. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, then you should consider subscribing my channel for further videos. So one of the most important things that I think people don't do is that they don't read the basics of paper 1. Okay, so my first tip to prepare paper 1 would be to read the basics. Okay, basics means that while you are, for example, you are preparing for teaching aptitude, then just go to any book or any video of that sort. Though I would say first of all go for any book and read the the headings, because teaching aptitudes is actually very easy. It kind of works on your common sense and in kind of your instincts. Okay, so but there is a little bit of theory part which you have to read. Okay, so I am telling you to just read those basics, okay, and make crisp note. Okay, I'm going to show you my notes and also I'm going to recommend you a book, very good book for reading the basics. While you are doing teaching aptitude, what I want you to do is make notes like this. Okay, these are like simple basic notes that I made from book and watching videos. These are like very simple notes, very crisp note. I have not written paragraphs and paragraphs. These are like very simple notes and very crisp notes. Okay, I have not written paragraph, or you will not see even a single paragraph. Okay, I have just made here a small diagram as well. So just prepare it like this. Most of the headings, example somewhere, बस that's it. You don't have to write the whole thing. Okay, इसके लिए मैंने notes भी बहुत कम बनाए. Like these are just some countable pages. Okay, so this is, for example, there is a topic called levels of teaching. इसमें just make a little bit of diagram and a few things, just read all those things. So teaching aptitude is, I think, one of the simplest units in paper 1. You will get it in the first go. Okay, so make these kinds of simple notes. Now, very good book that I can recommend you for paper 1 to make these crisp notes is this one. Okay, this is a book for UGC-NET paper 1. It has 15 mock test paper and it has given a really good summary of all the topics, like very crisp note that what I'm telling you, if you don't have to write, you just want to read, you don't want to waste time writing all these things, then I think you should get this book. Okay, for example, see here we have teaching aptitude and the most important things are given in this. Okay, and in just like headings, you will get all these things in these headings. Okay, and similarly it has notes like this for every topic. Okay, every unit. Research, most important topics, these are the topics that you have to read. You don't have to read books and books, and it's a very thin book as well. I think this will be very useful to you. Okay, so our link will be in the description. You can get this book. So after reading these basics, I think you should watch one video for every unit. Okay, I think I would recommend Arpita Karwa's video. She has a playlist of all these units. She has made like 10 minutes videos on each unit, and she's not going to teach you like each and every topic, but she will tell you the most important things. For example, you first read this book, the basic things, and then you watch that video, you will get the revision as well, and also some of the things, because I think visually when you see that, you get a better understanding of it. So I think you watch those videos, and if you get something which is very important, then you can just write down add on to your notes as well. So I think you should do that. Another thing that I would recommend you to do is solving PYQs. Solve as many PYQs as you can. अलग से एक folder अपने laptop में, computer, mobile, जो भी है उसमें बना लो, and just solve all those PYQs. For PYQs, I have another book as well. So yeah, if you want a book on solved PYQs, then you can get this book as well. This is for paper 1. 13 solved papers are there in this book. You can get this book. Link will be in the description. Okay. So yeah, solve as many PYQs as you can. Mock test paper, whatever you get, solve as many. One of the things you can do is that you solve all the 50 questions in one go. Don't break it like I'm going to solve 10 questions, then I'm going to take a rest, and then I'm going to solve 10 more questions. Don't do that. You have to do 50 questions in one go. Okay, you have to prepare yourself. इससे speed अच्छी आ जाएगी, and you will be able to do that on the computer in the exam hall. Okay, one thing you should keep in mind while solving PYQs is that you have to solve all the 50 PYQs in one go. It's not like you are going to solve 10 PYQs, then take a rest, and then solve 10 PYQs. You can start by doing that, but make it a habit that you can solve 50 PYQs in 1 hour, okay, so that you can devote the other 2 hours in the examination hall to your second paper. Okay, so minimum to minimum time you should give to paper 1, because paper 2 is more complex in a way, I think, because paper 1 में 50-60%, 65%, 70% number तक लोगों के आ जाते हैं, but paper 2 becomes more difficult, so try to do that. And I think paper 1 के लिए you have to prepare, or you have the habit to solve 50 questions in one go. Try to do that gradually. Okay, now you have read the basics, prepared the PYQs, analyze those PYQs basically. Now one thing that people don't do is they don't revise those PYQs. It's very, 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 very important to revise those PYQs, especially the ones you did not get right. Okay, do that. Revise PYQs. Revising PYQs is as important as solving PYQs. So revise those. Okay, that is going to benefit you a lot, because थोड़े टाइम बाद वो भूल जाते हैं, एक गलती जो करी है उसको दोबारा करने के चांसेस होते हैं. So please just revise PYQs. Okay, now I'm going to talk about my notes. Okay, I told you that I have not made a lot of notes for paper 1. But there are a few things that I can tell you which you should do. For comprehension, इसमें 5 में 5 आ सकते हैं बहुत आसानी से. You just have to read a lot of comprehensions and solve a lot of comprehension. All these things you have to apply this strategy to every unit. At least prepare 7 to 8 units, 6, 7. I think 7 units to prepare करनी ही पड़ेगी, and that will be enough for the exam. Okay. There are a few units, like 3-4 units, where you can just get 5 on 5 on these units. So one of them is comprehension. Comprehension is very easy. You just need to keep a very good eye on what you are reading, and you will get 5 on 5 in comprehension. For comprehension paper 1, there are a few units where you will get 5 on 5 if you can just practice all those questions. Okay, so one of the most important unit is the of comprehension. Okay, इससे questions भी रहते हैं, 5 तो जरूर ही रहते हैं. So what I did was that for mock test, I just made a list of this. I prepared like 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 comprehensions. And what I used to do was that every day I used to solve two passages every day. 2 passages mean 10 questions every day. Okay, that was kind of like a routine for like 15 days or 20 days or whatever. So I used to write that how many questions did I get out of those 5 questions, that how many questions did I get right and how many did I get wrong. So I used to write all correct, 3 correct, 4 wrong, whatever जो भी था, I used to write that every day. So you kind of mark your progress every day. And then PYQs के लिए भी I made a list and I jotted down that whatever the mistakes I made. And so I think if you prepare it this way and record your progress, you will see that after solving like 5 to 6, 7 passages, you will get all the 5 questions correctly, and you will have a different kind of confidence in yourself that no matter what passage they give related to anything, you are going to get 5 on 5 in this one. I think comprehension में तो free के marks मिलते हैं, so I think you should do it in this way. Same goes for mathematical reasoning and logical reasoning. I think my mathematical reasoning was actually bad, so I kind of did not practice a lot of it, but logical reasoning I did practice it a lot, and it kind of improves a lot. One channel that I would recommend all of you to visit along with watching those videos of Arpita Karwa one by one, एक दिन में बैठ के देख डालो. I think for those 10 units I just watched all of her videos in one day. Second channel will be UGC-NET Mentor. It's a very, very great channel. I think for paper 1 that's the best channel. Okay, and that channel has a lot of videos on every unit. But I think there is a playlist on his channel which talks about the basics of every unit. I'm telling you, just prepare the basics of every unit. You will get good marks in paper 1. Okay, so I am going to link that playlist also in the description. Do visit that channel and do all that. This is not some paid promotion or anything. I'm just recommending the things I did. So yeah, I think this is how you can prepare paper 1 in a few days. I think this is the best strategy. I don't know if it's gonna work for you or not. You can just do a few changes for yourself, and I think this is how you can prepare paper 1. And yeah, that was the video. I think those are the most important thing. इतना परेशान मत हो paper 1 के लिए. You can prepare it in a very limited number of days. Okay, it's not a very big deal. लगता है that it has a lot, variety of topics. That's why it might be a little bit intimidating, but Actually, it's not. Once you start preparing it in a strategized way, in a systematic way, then you will get it, and I know you're gonna kill it. Okay, so yeah, that was the video, and sorry for making this video very late. Actually, I wanted to make it earlier, but I got into an accident and it kind of took a lot of time away. That's why I did not make the video. So yeah, but yeah, now I'm fine, and yeah, I hope you all find this video useful, and I hope your preparation is going great. And do let me know if you have any kind of query in the comment section, and yeah, if you have any suggestion for videos or anything, any topic for videos for English literature, for paper 1 or whatever, I'll try to make a video on that. And yeah, basically, agar kuch bhi nahi hai, then comment down a hi. So yeah, that was the video, and I hope you found it useful. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.